Hello, medical aspirants of United Kingdom, America, Europe, and Australia. Here comes my next video on quantitative reasoning. These questions are taken from the British Ucat exam. So here comes your first question. Estimate the percentage change in the price of terrace properties from January to March year two. So from here, January to March year two, to October to December year two, October to December year two. So pause this video and try to solve this question. So here comes the solution. The question is asking, what is the percentage change in the price of terrace properties from January to March year two? So if you look at January to March year two, and this represents the terrace properties, that is $100,000. But if you look at October to December year two, it comes out to be exactly approximately 150,000 US dollars. So what is the increase? That's $50,000. What is the original? $100,000. So calculate the percentage, 50,000 over 100,000 multiplied by 100, and that gives you 50%. All right, here comes your next question. By what percentage, rounded to the nearest whole number if necessary, did the price of detached homes fall from April, June, year one? So here, this is April, June, year one, and this one is the detached property, to July, September, year two. So July, September, year two. So pause the video and try to find the answer for this question. So here comes your solution. So for April to June, year one, April to June, year one, the price of the detached property is 400,000 US dollars. And for July to September, year two, the detached properties is approximately, if you see here, this is 260,000 US dollars. So what is the fall? So fall is 400,000 minus 260,000, that gives you 140,000. 140,000 divided by 400,000 multiplied by 100, and that gives you approximately 35%. So here comes your next question. Which one of the following was the first time period when the prices of homes in all four categories started to rise after the earlier fall in prices? So after the earlier fall in prices, it started to rise. So try to look at the trend of the graph. If you see this one, this is decreasing. This is, yes, decreasing. This is when it starts to rise a little bit. Then if I look here, this is decreasing, almost the same. Here it is increasing, but here again it is increasing. So this has an increasing trend. Now, if I look here, this is decreasing, and here it is again, it has started to increase. Here you see it is decreasing until here it has a little bit started to increase. So that would be, if you check the answer, this would be October to December year two. October to December year two is the time when the prices of homes in all four categories started to rise after the earlier fall in prices. So this is just reading the graph and answering the questions. All right, here comes your next question. A property owner owns 3 detached properties. So he owns 3 detached properties, 2 semi-detached properties, 1 terraced house, and 4 studio flats. Estimate the fall in the total price of these properties from April to June year one, April to June year one, to April to June year two. So April to June year one, and this is April to June year two. So try to first find what is the fall in detached property, terrace property, semi-detached property, and studio flat. And make sure that the property owner owns 3 detached properties, 2 semi-detached properties, and 1 rented house and 4 studio flats. Try to solve this question. And here comes the solution. If you see, in April, June year one, detached property was 400,000, whereas in April, June year two, it is approximately 280,000. So from here, you see, till here, 280,000. Semi-detached, if you look here, this is 280,000, and this becomes approximately 180,000. Then here you have the terrace properties, which is 170 approximately if I take here, and this would be approximately 120. Studio, this is 100, and this is going to be approximately less than 50, so 40 I'm taking. They're asking approximate, so even if you approximate, you'll get approximately the same answer. So if you look here, from 400,000 to 280,000, that's a fall of 120,000. 280,000 to 180,000, that's a fall of 100,000. 170,000 to 120,000, that's a fall of 50,000. 100,000 to 40,000, that's a fall of 60,000. And the property owner owns 3 detached properties, so 3 times 120,000, 2 semi-detached, so 2 times 100,000, 1 terraced house, 1 times 50,000, and 4 studio flats, 4 times 60,000, which comes out to be 850,000. So 850,000, option D is the right answer. That's all for this video. Watch out my next video on quantitative reasoning. Good luck.